time talking about the problem. We know that the criminal justice system needs reform. We know that there are 2.3 million people in American jails and prisons, making us the most...
You know, and I'm not going to sound, I don't want to sound like a crazy vegan animal rights activist, but if tomorrow...
Class, working, and poor families don't have to borrow money to go to college, but I don't want to add the cost of subsidizing me or subsidize...
Decide that I'm going to live each day as if it were my last. Live your...
And this is my unveiling because I'm going to show you a clip.
Hi, my name's David Shrigley, and I am going to be the guest director of the Brighton Festival in 2018.
Do this. I am going to walk away from this career.
Well,
Give it all up.